Forward in crops. There we have Jack having a little sniff around. And what we've got up here, oh yes. Well, here we have, they're shut away in their little compound. Well, little, quite big really. Too fast. There's a little Frizzy. Hello little Frizzy, how are you getting on? Hey, how are you getting on today? And there's whatever she is. And got a broody in there. And another broody behind in that one. And what we got down here? We've got speckledies and black rock image. Oh, there's the golden laced Wyandotte Bantam. A little frizzle down there. A couple of bluebells, speckledy. That's an Americano look-alike. She usually goes broody. She hatched 13 last year, and that's one of her hatchlings that she hatched out last year. And behind there you can just about see a blue Columbian, another bantam. All bantams were hatched last year. This one hatched 12 bantams. Here comes a Pekin. She, her sister's gone broody. 2 of those we've got, and that's a silver lace Pekin, I think they call them. I call them cowboys because they got the chaps. A bit muddy today, poor old fellas with the furry legs, but they don't seem to be bothered about it. Seem quite happy. Oop! Bluebell's just chased off the chocolate, the golden laced Wyandotte now. Let's have a look and see how 2 young hatchlings are getting on. They're clucking in there, but I wonder what they're doing. Let's have a look and see if we can see. Ah, no, this is interesting. I wonder where they are. Now what we've got here is a frizzle and a chocolate Wyandotte, and there was 3. We lost one, so there's only 2 chicks in there, and I don't know exactly where they are. It's a chocolate. Get some light on the situation. You see there, chocolate Wyandotte there, snuggled up with the frizzle, but I'm not sure if the chicks are under the frizzle or no, well, they're not under the chocolate, but she's sitting close to her to help keep them warm. Seem happy. So they're safely ensconced in there, and there's the shed where all the coops are built. I don't know what the light situation is in there. There's my bike and a table saw, and up the end we've got a chop saw. There's that bench that I built last year. Cooker repaired, some spare doors. A fair bit of light getting through. Built this shed last year, and a good shed it is indeed. Quite large. There's sawhorses, or whatever you call them, trestles. A couple of them I built last year to help me build the shed. And there you can see the shed in all its glory. And I think it's time to call this video a day.